How to start posting content as a complete beginner doing online digital marketing. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm 22 years old. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I started online digital marketing 6 months ago. And if I was starting online digital marketing as a complete beginner, these are the 3 strategies I would use. First, I would start promoting on TikTok and YouTube. The reason is TikTok is going to allow you to get your content out quicker and let you be more established quicker. You're going to get more engagement on TikTok than any other platform. The reason I would use YouTube as well though is because YouTube Shorts are currently blowing up. And so you can repurpose your TikTok videos and post them to YouTube Shorts, and you're going to be growing both platforms at the same time. On top of that, I would not share digital marketing from the start. I would literally wait 1 to 2 weeks just sharing my story, my life, letting people know who I am to get them to build that trust with me. And after 1 to 2 weeks of promoting or talking about my life on social media, that's whenever I would start actually promoting digital marketing. This is because you're gonna come off as a real person and not just someone who wants to make money. And by doing that, you're gonna eventually make more sales. So those are the platforms I would use, and that's the strategy I would use. But I would also use ChatGPT from the start of doing online digital marketing. And this is because you can literally go into ChatGPT and say, give me a TikTok description about, and explain what your video is about. And it's going to give you keywords that need to be used in your TikTok descriptions and YouTube descriptions so that the right people are finding you. So those are the 3 strategies I would use if I was starting online digital marketing and creating content for the first time.